Hello my friends, today I am putting in a stem repair kit for a multi-turn valve, and that's kind of what we're looking at under here. These guys have been about 20 years and the little rubber will break down or whatever, so I was trying to fix my dishwasher and turn this one off, and it wouldn't turn off, so I figure the gasket's probably broken in there. So I'm going to replace the little stem, and it should be quite a bit easier than replacing the whole fixture there. So that's what we're going to do. First thing we're going to do is we're going to unscrew this. It's just a regular Phillips head screwdriver. Alright. Maybe a little bit of water coming out. I'd put a towel up underneath here. So, all right. So there's that. Now we're going to take this nut off also. That's called the bonnet nut. So we're going to take that off, and it's lefty loosey, righty tighty. Phone, of course. 1 second. All right. So we're going to try loosen this up here. So righty tighty. Right is going to be clockwise. So I'll loosen this would be counterclockwise. So we're going to turn that to the left there. There we go. Hopefully not too much water is going to be coming out there. I did turn on my lines a little bit. Might be some water. You know what? I'm going to little bowl put under there. Just in case it leaks a little bit, we're going to put this under there. That'll keep it from getting too much of a mess. I do have it sealed underneath my sink here, so if these were leaking, which they were before, then they're not going to go too much all over the place. So let's see if this one's damaged or not. I don't even see a seal on that one, so the entire hose is gone, looks like. So there's quite a bit of water coming out of there, so good thing I put that bowl under there. Alright, I don't know if I need to, I'm going to put my screwdriver in there, maybe try to fish out if there's that washer still in there. See if it is or not. Wow, I don't even see a washer in there at all, so there should be a washer in there. Anyways, that might have been probably some of the reason why it wasn't working. And there's that washer for that one. Okay, so pull this off real quick. Oopsie boodle. Knocked over my camera there. Alright. Quite a bit of water's coming out of there still. Better hurry. Okay. Get that washer out of there if I can. Come on. Let me pause this real quick. Okay, so this washer was in there and had to get it out. You had to use a knife to get it out because it was in there pretty good. Basically, what we want to do now is, let's see, we have that there, like that. And I believe, let's see, this washer is going to go in there just like that. Okay. And this goes on over the top of that. And that goes in there like that. Okay. Just like that. Okay, and that's how it should be. Let's screw it back on there, hopefully. I had to make that my thing was kept leaking because the water heater is a little bit above the pipe, so the water gravity was continuing to pull the water out of there. So I just got a plastic bag with a paper towel in there and shoved it in there real quick because the water kept coming out. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna screw this back on there and finish this one real quick. Okay, I'll see if I can get a good view there. Sure. Alright, let's see here. Get my channel locks ready. Pull that out. Probably some water coming out there. Alright. Screw this on there, shall we? Get it started. Push that on there a little bit. Doesn't look like it wants to go on there though. Should just screw right on there, theoretically. Okay, so my valve is right there. Push kind of firmly and try to tighten it on there. Ah, blast. Okay. That is not really going on there. I think I need to sink that washer down inside the nut there real quick. That's why it's not really... I think I got it now, but the washer was kind of a tight fit, so when you put it on there, make sure you snug that washer down in the nut and then do it. Alright, we got it though, I believe. And we'll simply tighten this on with our croissant wrench. I don't want to over tighten this, but I think I can move my bowl now. That was blocking the water. Give me a little bit more of a area there. Okay, just kind of a tight fit in here, you know. Oh, knocks over the phone again. Alrighty, there we go. And like I said, this doesn't have to be super tight. But tight enough so that washer's in there nice and snug. So well, that should be good enough. Now we're going to replace our handle. Hopefully it'll just push right on there. Doesn't appear that the threads are differently, but that would be awesome if they were a little different. So these appear to be bigger threads and these are smaller ones. I'm hoping that we'll be able to overcome that by just screwing this on there. But it appears to be a slightly different, which would just be awesome if this didn't go on there. I just can't get my arm in there. Man, good thing I don't have like 30-inch biceps or something, because it'd be really difficult to get in there. Alright, so we're just going to try to screw this on there, and hopefully it's going to work for us. And it looks like it snugged it down on there. So the threads weren't perfect, but it was is enough. Now, hopefully, just turn that either way. And you can turn on your main water again and see if that holds or not. So, thanks for watching this video, my friends, and we'll see you next time. I did turn off the water, the main water main at the front of the house. I have a video on how to do that. Maybe I'll put a link in the description just to show you guys how to do it. So, thanks for watching.